Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error correction reset error on your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the network issue and you are seeing the error connection reset error on your Google Chrome, then I will show you couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to make sure that your proxy server is turned off. For that, you just need to click on this start menu, then click on settings, then click on network and internet. Come to the right side, here you will find proxy. Click on this proxy. First you have to turn off this automatically detect settings. If it is turned off, then turn it on. After that, use a proxy server. Here you can see use a proxy server. You have to make sure it is turned off. After that, just close this window. Then you have to press Windows plus R key. In this, you need to type inetcpl.cpl. Then click OK. Then click on connection. Then click on LAN settings. You have to make sure that it is selected as automatically detect the settings and the proxy server is turned off. Then click OK. Then click OK and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just again you have to press Windows plus R key, then type here ncpa.cpl, then click OK. In this, if you are using through internet, just right click on that, click on property, then you can see here internet protocol version 4, double click on that. Here you need to type, you can see here use the following DNS server address. You need to type 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server, you need to type 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Click OK. Just once you have to enable it and disable again. If you are using through Wi-Fi, you have to do same settings for your Wi-Fi adapter. Then close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then you can try the third method. Click on this search, then type here network reset. You can see here network reset. Click on this, then click on reset now. Then all your network setting will be resetted. After resetting, now you can try whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing all these settings, still you are facing the issue, then you can try by restarting your Wi-Fi router or by restarting your laptop or desktop. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error connection reset error on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.